All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about two different things. Tectonic. What's going on with Tectonic? It's down slightly. Is this a good time to get into Tectonic? Do you have any of your idle crypto working for you with Tectonic? We're going to go over there and check that out. And then also, you know, those favorite crop farmers that I like, the BUSD and stuff? Well, they're launching a new BUSD yield farmer today. Yeah, we're going to check that out. It's going to be pretty good. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. Also, today is the day we're launching our sports channel. So later on today, you're going to see another sports channel from Frank's Sports Corner coming on live to you today. We're going to bring that to you. All right, let's head over to Tectonic. All right, take a look at this. Tectonic is down 24%. Ding, 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 ding. This is a discount buy. I always like 12 to 14, 15% down. This coin is down a quarter, 25% in the last 7 days. Today, it's not down that much, 1.62, but for the last 7 days, ding, 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 down 24%. Clicking it. All right, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and an 18. If you take a look at it for today, it doesn't look that bad. But if you look in the last 7 days, it's just a downward slope, going down and going more down and going down again. Okay, so a lot of this is due to the cryptocurrency. A lot of cryptocurrencies being down, but 24% down, this could be a fantastic time to get into Tectonic. Cost average your, if you had Tectonic before this video, do a little cost average. All right, over here at their Twitter account, what is Tectonic? Tectonic is a cross-chain money market that is on the Cronus chain. You know, you can go to their Discord and check it out. They have basically 48,000 followers. So from a few months ago, Pickle Finance is working with Tectonic. Tectonic folding jars offer a fantastic yield on naked Cronus chain CRO and ETH. If you take a look right here, you get 45% APY on CRO, and on WETH, you get 10%. So let's make sure you check that out. A few months ago, they had over $1 billion in total supply on Tectonic. It's a little bit lower right now, but that was a big accomplishment for them. $1 billion, and at that time, they had half of it borrowed. Going over to their website, Tectonic. Tectonic is a shift in lending and borrowing. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield. Now, during this time of the crypto being bloody in the streets, we're all looking for passive income, passive ways to make money, money while you're sleeping, all that good stuff. So right here, you can earn passive yield and access instant back loans. So that's one thing you can do. That's why I was saying their supply is down. They got about over a half a million, 500 and almost a half a billion, 576 million, and about half of that is borrowed at this time. So again, generate passive yield. You keep hearing about the passive income and the passive yield on your assets. Crypto asset deposit into Tectonic earns attractive APYs based on that dynamic rate according to the market demands. Earnings are available immediately with no lockup. Says start saving today. If you look over here, it says instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity from idle crypto assets in Tectonic. This is the one I like right here. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity from your what? Let's blow this up for you guys. From your idle crypto. What does that mean? That's that crypto that's sitting in your wallet that you haven't done nothing with in the last 6 months. You know, it's just sitting there, you're watching it go down, 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 and you're like, oh my God, I'm depressed. It's going down, down, down. Well, if it's idle, basically get a loan today and basically lock that potential. Start borrowing today. Couple things right here. Keep your funds safe is our top priority. They got audited smart contracts. Our smart contracts have been audited with the leading blockchain security, Slomis. Their insurance fund is coming soon. And of course, open source are among the founding principles of DeFi, which Tonic is proudly committed to. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. It's exciting today because today there's going to be Frank's Sports Corner coming out a little bit later, about 4 or 5 hours from now. All right, so now we're going to talk about these passive income projects. We'll come back to Tectonic for a price prediction. So you all know I like the BUSD crop farmers and the farmers and stuff. I want to show you this new one that's launching today. This is not a get in first serve thing. You can get anytime you want. You're not going to be penalized if you're not the first one in. So if you're watching this video 3 days from now or 10 days from now, it's no big deal. Literally, there's 4 different platforms. Let's go check it out. All right, so again, the BUSD crop farmers, I love this project, $1.1 million into it. You know how it works, 8% daily, 8% referral, 12-hour compound timer, the whole 9 yards. I got all kinds of videos. Look at this. I put $250 into it. I've already got $438 out of it. Profitable. $1.1 million in the actual contract, so it's not going around anytime soon. Well, today, they're launching BUSD Crop Yield Farmers. It's actually live right this second. You can actually put money in it right now. So let's go ahead and actually see if we could do some. So the contract details, it's got a Telegram. It's got your contract right there. There's 4 different plans. Plan number 1, it's a 200-day lockup. The money you put in, you're not getting back. You're going to get your rewards. So it's 200 days. You get 2% a day. I'm going to blow this up so you can see it. 2% a day, 400% ROI. You can invest as minimum as $30 BUSD and a maximum of $6,000. Every time you compound it, you get a 5% bonus. The next compound is now. Plan number 2, this is for somebody who doesn't want to lock it up, is for 200 days. Plan number 2 is a 90-day lockup. It's got 2.5% daily, 225 ROI. Plan number 3, is only a 60-day lockup, 180% ROI. And plan number 4 is a 40-day lockup, 3.5% daily. You can put a minimum of $60, maximum of $12,000. But again, they have 4 different plans. They got plan number 1, which is a 200-day. Plan number 2, which is a 90-day, 2.5% daily. Plan number 3, again, like plan number 3, the most you can put in is $10,000. The minimum is $50. This is also made by the Crop Farmers team. Let's look at some project details. Sustainable investment platform based on the Binance Smart Chain, Binance Blockchain Smart Contracts. I've already went over the 4 different plans. Right here it says plan requirements. Plan number 1, minimum 30. 2 is 40, 50, 60. It's got anti-whale control mechanisms to help against whales. 48-hour cutoff time. 24-hour cooldown withdrawal. 12-hour compound thing. I mean, this is going to be fantastic. It's a plan that does rewards, special pools, project statistics, compound functions with a 5% bonus. The statistics are live right now, but you can't put anything in until a little bit later. So I just wanted to bring this to the channel. BUSD Crop Yield Farmers. I'll actually have this listed at the bottom, so if you want to go check this out. There is no rush to get into this. It's not a launch like a miner that you have to get in, and if you get in early, you actually get more rewards. One of the things I heard another YouTuber said is if you have the BUSD Crop Farmers, which I do right here, say for example, right here, I'm on a 10 compound right here. So I'm going to let my cart fill up for 24 hours. Right now, if I claimed it, I would get $51. Well, I'm not going to do that because in 24 hours, I get another 53. So in about a day from now, I'm going to get another $100 in BUSD. Well, what people were saying is when you claim your money from BUSD Crop Farmers, you can come over here to BUSD Crop Yield Farmers. So that $100, I can basically take that $100 and I can put it into one of these 4 plans right here. So just a strategy. If you have the BUSD Crop Farmers, I'll link that in the bottom. And the new BUSD Yield Farmers, I'll link in the bottom. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I love the BUSD Farmers because I don't have to wake up and worry that the coin dropped 30% overnight because it's pegged to $1. All the crop farmers, they have 4 of them, are doing fantastic. I love them all. BUSD, BNB. They also have the FTM crop farmers and the USDC crop farmers. All 4 of these projects I love. I've already profited out of the BUSD, and the other 3 I'm real close to getting all my money back. So with this one being made by the crop farmers, the actual devs, I actually like it. I like that there's 4 different projects. Also, you can get into one, and a week later get into the second one. You can be in all 4 different projects, which is fantastic. All right, let's head back over to Tectonic for a little price prediction. All right, back at Tectonic here. Here's some frequently asked questions before we do the price prediction. What is Tectonic? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial, algorithmic money market protocol. Users can deposit assets to earn passive income or borrow funds to unlock liquidity. How does Tonic work? Funds deposited by users are provided as liquidity to borrowers who may borrow at a variable interest rate. Tectonic smart contracts adjust these rates based on each market utilizations. Tonic is Tonic's protocol token, which has two key uses: governance and staking in the community insurance pool to ensure the protocol and earn more money. All right, what is our price prediction here? Well, this coin is down 24% in the last 7 days. We think it's going to go down, down, down. If it's down 24% in 7 days and it's down 3% for today, if you were at the casino, black and red is down, and it's just been going down, 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 you would think it's down. So literally there's 6 zeros and a 1794. I think it's going to go to 6 zeros and a 1694. Now, again, all my information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. Do your own homework. But right now, ding, 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 24% down. If you're a Tectonic holder, this is a good time to cost average. This is a good time to get a little Tectonic if you like it. All right. Thanks for tuning in. BUSD crop yield farmers launching today. The statistics are live right now. You can go down to the bottom of my website. I'll have the link there. Tectonic down 24%. Hey everybody, this is could be a good time for you to take a look at Tectonic. Also, the sports channel is coming today for all you crypto fans that are into sports. You know Tom Brady, he's getting into something. That's right, cryptocurrency. He's doing a trade, but he wasn't trading from another team. He was trading cryptocurrency. Odell Beckham, who won a Super Bowl last year, yeah, he got paid his last year contract in Bitcoin. So guess what? A lot of sports people are getting cryptocurrency. Also, I've heard about a statistic that there's only 12% of the people last year that owned cryptocurrency in the United States. We're all early here, everybody. That's why you're tuned into this channel. Don't forget to click right here. I'll actually list BUSD crop farmers. Click over here. I'll do USDC crop farmers. Today is getting ready to go into the holiday weekend on Friday. Have a good Memorial Day weekend, and we'll see you a little bit later on today with our sports channel.